An important factor affecting the price of ULTIMA is halving. Halving is the process of continually reducing the incoming supply of ULTIMA tokens to the market by half. The main goal of halving is to hold cryptocurrency inflation by reducing the issuance of new tokens. The ULTIMA halving process is automatic and embedded in the blockchain itself. It occurs once a year. Initially, 50 ULTIMA tokens were released to the market each day. After the first halving, this number was reduced to 25 tokens, and it will continue to decrease until it reaches 1 token per day in 2028. The total supply of ULTIMA is limited to only 100,000 tokens. Halving as a tool for growth is used by many cryptocurrencies. However, ULTIMA has implemented the most strict and powerful halving rules. For instance, while Bitcoin's supply halves every 4 years, in ULTIMA, it happens much more frequently, once a year. Halving is an incredibly powerful tool for reducing supply, which can create real hype in the market. After all, every market participant understands that when the supply decreases, the price usually increases significantly, making it more advantageous to buy the asset before it becomes more expensive. Halving is an important factor in increasing value, boosting demand, and generating growing interest from the global crypto community. It is designed to support the hyper-deflation strategy, strengthening and enhancing the value of ULTIMA in the crypto market.